Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing 10 crazy facts about peanut butter that you probably didn't know. From its history to its health benefits, and even some strange uses, get ready to get nutty with us as we uncover the incredible world of peanut butter. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Peanut butter is amazingly balanced. Peanut butter is an amazing food that provides a nutritional balance that few other foods can offer. It is packed with all three essential macronutrients: carbs, proteins, and fats. Peanut butter is a great source of healthy fats, and it provides a good amount of both soluble and insoluble fiber. In terms of proteins, peanut butter contains a good amount of essential amino acids, including lysine and arginine. It also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. This makes it a great addition to any diet. In terms of carbohydrates, peanut butter is fairly low in sugar and contains mostly complex carbohydrates that are slowly digested and absorbed. This helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents energy crashes. Overall, peanut butter is an amazingly balanced nutrition source. It is packed with all three essential macronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and healthy fats. It is a great addition to any diet and can help to provide sustained energy throughout the day. Number 2. Here are some of the macro stats. Peanut butter is a popular snack that is packed full of nutrition. It's an excellent source of healthy fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Here are some of the macro stats for 100 grams of peanut butter. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Fats, 50 grams. Proteins, 25 grams. Peanut butter is a great source of energy, providing a steady supply of slow-burning carbohydrates to keep you going throughout the day. It's also a great source of healthy fats, which can help to reduce cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Finally, 25 grams of protein per 100 grams of peanut butter can help to build and maintain muscle mass. Whether you're looking for an energy-boosting snack or a way to get an extra dose of healthy fats and proteins, peanut butter is an excellent choice. With its balanced nutritional profile, it's no wonder that it's become a staple in many diets. Number 3. Peanut butter is low in some nutrients too. Peanut butter is a popular food item that is packed with protein and other nutrients. But despite its nutrient richness, it is low in some essential vitamins and minerals. One of the key nutrients that peanut butter is low in is methionine. Methionine is an essential amino acid, meaning that our bodies cannot produce it on their own, and we must get it from our diets. Therefore, if someone relies on peanut butter as their main source of protein, they are at risk of methionine insufficiency. Fortunately, there are some potential benefits to having low levels of methionine. Studies on mice and rats have shown that low methionine can increase lifespan. However, it is not yet known if this works the same way in humans. Overall, peanut butter is a great source of protein, but it is important to be mindful of the nutrients it is lacking. Balanced diets are key to staying healthy, and it is important to get your essential nutrients from a variety of sources. Number 4. It's great for a low-carb diet. If you're trying to watch your carb intake but don't want to give up the deliciousness of peanut butter, you're in luck. Pure peanut butter is an ideal choice for a low-carb diet. With only 20% carbs, it's much lower in carbohydrates than other nut butter. Not only does pure peanut butter have fewer carbs than other nut butter, but it also offers more nutrition. It's an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It's also packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Pure peanut butter can be used in many recipes to add flavor and nutrition. It can be used to make delicious sauces, smoothies, and even desserts. It can also be enjoyed as a snack on its own, spread on celery or whole grain bread. Pure peanut butter is a great option for those looking to reduce their carb intake. It's also a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. So grab a jar of pure peanut butter and enjoy. Number 5. It may be suitable for diabetics. Peanut butter is a popular and versatile food that can be added to a variety of dishes. Not only is it delicious, but it may also have some health benefits as well. For those with diabetes, peanut butter may be a suitable food choice. Studies have shown that eating peanut butter may help regulate blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This is because peanut butter contains oleic acid, which is known to have a mild effect on blood sugar levels. Additionally, peanut butter is rich in antioxidants, which can be beneficial for overall health. When it comes to diabetes, it's important to note that peanut butter should not be consumed in excess. It is relatively high in calories and fat, so it's important to be mindful of how much you are eating. Additionally, peanut butter should not be consumed in place of any other diabetic medications or treatments. Number 6. It's got lots of oleic acids. Peanut butter is a delicious treat that can be used in a variety of ways. But did you know that it's not just its creamy taste that makes it so great? It's also got lots of oleic acids. Oleic acid is a type of monounsaturated fatty acid that has numerous health benefits. It helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, is anti-inflammatory, and helps to reduce bad cholesterol levels. It is also known for having anti-cancer properties. Approximately half of the fat in peanut butter is made up of oleic acid, which is a healthy type of monounsaturated fat. Oleic acid is also found in other foods such as olive oil, avocados, and nuts. For this reason, eating peanut butter can be a great way to increase your oleic acid intake. Number 7. Watch the calories, though. Eating peanut butter may be an indulgent treat, but it is important to be mindful of the calorie content. Although peanut butter is a good source of protein, minerals, and vitamins, it is also high in fat and calories. A 100 grams portion of peanut butter contains a whopping 588 calories. To make sure you don't overindulge in this delicious treat, be mindful of your portion size and watch the calories. You can also opt for lower-calorie versions of peanut butter, such as all-natural peanut butter, to keep your calorie intake in check. Enjoy your peanut butter, just remember to watch the calories. Number 8, however, it can make for good diet food. Peanut butter can be a tricky food to include in a weight loss diet. It's packed with calories and fat, and eating too much can quickly lead to weight gain. However, it can make for good diet food. Despite their high fat content, eating moderate amounts of peanut butter on a weight loss diet is completely fine. In fact, peanut butter can be an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. It's also very filling, which can help you to control your appetite and ultimately limit calorie intake. Just be sure to watch your portion sizes and choose natural peanut butter instead of the processed varieties that contain added sugars and trans fats. Adding peanut butter to your weight loss diet can be a great way to stay on track and still enjoy a delicious treat. Just make sure you're mindful of portion sizes and selecting natural varieties without added sugars. A tablespoon or 2 of peanut butter a day can be a great way to get some additional protein and healthy fats without derailing your weight loss goals. Number 9. It's got a great balance of vitamins. If you are looking for a healthy snack option, look no further than peanut butter. Not only is it an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, but it also has an impressive nutritional profile. It's got a great balance of vitamins including vitamin E, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folate, copper, and magnesium. These vitamins and minerals are essential for healthy bones, skin, and overall well-being. Plus, peanut butter is packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your body from free radical damage. What's more, peanut butter is low in saturated fat and sodium and contains no cholesterol. This makes it a great option if you're looking to eat healthier. Plus, it's an affordable source of protein for those on a budget. And let's not forget the taste. Who doesn't love a good peanut butter sandwich? So if you're looking for a delicious and healthy snack, look no further than peanut butter. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, low in saturated fat and sodium, and tastes great. So what are you waiting for? Try it today. Number 10, however, do be careful. Peanut butter is a popular snack and sandwich spread, but it can also be dangerous. Aflatoxins, which are toxic compounds produced by certain types of fungi, are found in peanuts and can cause liver cancer if consumed in large amounts. Fortunately, the processing of peanuts into peanut butter reduces the levels of aflatoxins by around 90%, making it a much safer option than eating raw peanuts. Still, it's important to be mindful of the source of your peanut butter. Look for brands that use high-quality tested peanuts and are processed in sanitized facilities. Additionally, check the expiration date and store your peanut butter in a cool, dry place to ensure it remains safe for consumption. In short, peanut butter can be a healthy and delicious snack as long as it's handled and stored carefully. Be sure to choose quality brands and always check the expiration date before eating. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed learning about 10 nutty nutrition facts about peanut butter. Remember, peanut butter is a great source of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber, and a delicious treat for the whole family. Be sure to check out our other videos for more health and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.